a lady with a shopping cart. I haven't seen that. I wonder where she's going with that. Oh. I guess she's going... Oh, I don't know. That's weird. Okay, so today we're going to start in this beautiful blue building, which is where I do all the credits. And then we're just going to walk straight down that way, and we're just going to see what we can find. So let's just check that out. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So this is familiar, right? This is the building that we did the opening credits with, and here it is again. So I walked back and forth a few times on this one, and then it became my credits. It's purely coincidental, just kind of a really cool architectural building. And I did a whole film just about it a little while ago, so you probably saw that recently. And this one I'm just going to walk this way and just kind of see what's over there. And when last time I was kind of talking, you know, if this was painted and this was painted, we'd have all this kind of cool stuff. Might be like a really amazing little corner. But as it is, that one is our focus and our target, because it's just so beautiful with the paint job. And then you got those nice open windows too. And this one also has these beautiful windows up on top. So imagine if this was painted as vibrant. So anyways, as we mentioned, we're gonna just go down this street and we're just gonna see what's down it. I don't know exactly what we're gonna find. And once I find the name of the street, I'll also focus with the camera on it. So we'll see. Evangelized China Fellowship. Okay. So Beco de Thomas Ferreira. So you can see the name of this tiny little alleyway. And you can also search for this one too. Evangelized China Fellowship. Anyways, we're gonna keep on going down, and then we'll see what else we can see around here. So you can feel Popo, okay. So it looks like we're gonna head into a little circular thing, and I think we're kind of near the hospital, but we're gonna find out in a minute. Yeah, we're near the hospital. So there's a McDonald's here. This is Kiang Hospital right here. Yeah, I thought we were near there. And we were. So yeah, okay, so that's Kiang Hospital. This is a big Kiang Hospital. This is the main hospital in all of Macau. And then we got a bunch of other stuff around here too. Papa Soup, big McDonald's. Pizza Hut is down that way. Let's just walk into this a little bit. McDonald's has this big giant window right here. This isn't going to be our focus. If you go down this way, it goes kind of to the north of the city. So we're just going to film that right there for a minute. Pretty cool city streets. Okay. Huh. It's a lady with a shopping cart. I haven't seen that. I wonder where she's going with that. Oh. I guess she's going... Oh, I don't know. That's weird. It's like, I don't know where she's going. Anyway, there's a lady with a shopping cart. So she took it from... It's an empty one. So I don't know if she borrowed it from a store. But anyways, she just came across... who knows. But anyways, she's going to McDonald's or somewhere with it. That's weird. Okay, so anyways, so Kiang is right there, and I'm not going to focus on it. There's not. It's just basically a hospital with an emergency room. Emergency room is right there. There it is. What we're going to do is continue to focus on this little cafe, Honolulu Cafe right there. And then I'm going to show you these signs up here as well. So I guess our main goal right here was just to follow this one. There's a Hotel Holiday right there. So Hotel Holiday, kind of near Kiang. And these are some of the tourist areas. And I think we're going to angle towards Sabala Ruins. It's a pretty good spot to see at this time of day. So okay, so we got this. We have our funny little spot where some lady took a cart, crossed the circle. She didn't even stay on the sidewalk. Went right through. Actually, she went through the roundabout, and then she went through the backwards way. So, anyways, kind of entertaining. And I guess we're gonna follow the Sao Paulo ruins, which is down this way. So I'll just take the camera with me until we get on our way a little bit, and then I'll end this one. So yeah, Sao Paulo's church right there. So that's the way we're gonna go. And then this is the way that we came from. It's right down that way. So okay. And Sao Paulo ruins is the next one that we're gonna be doing. So stay tuned if you want to see that. Man, the lighting is just perfect, eh? All right. Chiquinha, Chiquinha.